Assalamu alaikum, this is Suman Khan, your English language instructor. So today I'm back again with some amazing idioms. So by using these idioms, you can score high in IELTS or PTE, be it any test that is relevant to English language. So the first idiom that we have is my way or highway, which simply means या तो आप इसको मेरे तरीके से करें मतलब मेरे ओपिनियन को फॉलो करें या फिर यहाँ से चले जाएं, which simply means follow me or get out. So similar to this, we have some variations. आप ये भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और इसकी जगह कुछ और idioms हैं जो आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. So for the variations we have variation number 1, put up or shut up. Variation number 2 we have get in line or get out of the way. Variation number 3 we have take it or leave it. And finally number 4 variation is end of the story. Okay. So number 2 we have over the moon. Over the moon means to be very very happy, बहुत खुश होना. हम कहते हैं ना दिमाग हवाओं में होना, पाँव जमीन पे ना लगना. So for all these words we are going to use these idioms, and the variations are heads in the cloud. Variation number 2, seventh heaven. Variation number 3, on top of the world. Variation number 4, walking on sunshine. Variation number 5, floating in the air. Variation number 6, dancing on air. And variation number 7, head over heels in joy. Next on number 3 we have sling the day, which means आप सब काम optimistically मतलब बहुत positively और बहुत effectively कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छे से आप discipline से हर काम करते ही जा रहे हो और आपका दिन अच्छा गुजर रहा हो. So you can say I'm slaying the day. Also we have some variations, so let's talk about them also. You can say crushing it. On number 2 you can say nailing it. Number 3 you can say bossing it. Number 4, blazing a trail. Number 5, waking up like a warrior. Okay, so on number 4 we have this idiom mover and shaker. Mover and shaker means an influential person who has the hold on the company. On मिसाल के तौर पर एक ऐसा इंसान है जिसके पास पावर है, जो इन्फ्लुएंस करता है किसी जगह को, किसी चीज़ को. मिसाल के तौर पर अगर आपके स्कूल हैं तो स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल, he might be the influential person. अगर आप किसी बैंक में काम करते हैं, the CEO. किसी कंपनी में काम बैंक में काम करते हैं तो the manager is the mover and shaker of that bank. If you're working in a company, the CEO or the chief executive is the mover and shaker of that particular place. So you can say the CEO is the mover and shaker of this company. Okay. Next we have we have to talk about the variation. So variation number 1 is big wheel. Variation number 2 is go-getter. Number 3, top dog. Number 4, game changer. Number 5, kingpin. Number 6, heavy hitter. Okay, so you can say he is the top dog in that particular group. Okay, so on number 5 we can talk about burning the candle at both ends, which means बहुत ज़्यादा काम करना. Okay, if a person is working day in and day out, you can say he is burning the candle at both ends. We can say if you're a freelancer, I know you must be burning the candles at both ends, because freelancers, they have to work day in and day out. Okay, so for this particular idiom we have the variations as number 1, in the red zone. Number 2, wearing oneself thin. Number 3, burning out. Number 4, maxing out. Number 5, hitting the wall. Number 6, living on the edge. So thank you for your time for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to press the bell icon and like, subscribe.